buying a property in anywhere of the country, you have to first ask what is your return, because you are investing for getting some return, right? So let's check what is ROI and how we can calculate our rate of return. ROI is how much money or profit you made on the investment. Let's suppose you purchase a property in $100,000. So in this $100,000, how much will be your return? So by ROI, we can calculate these numbers. So for calculating the ROI, you have to divide it annual return divided by the invested amount. It can be, we can call it the property prices. For example, you purchase a property and this property price is $100,000, right? And the return of yearly return is $6,000. How you can calculate your ROI? As we mentioned in the top, first you have to divide it $6,000 to $100,000 because your annual return is $6,000 and divided by invested amount. It means your rate of return is 0.06. We have to convert this to percentage, and it means you are getting actually 6% rate of return from this investment. So let's check another example. Let's say, suppose your agent told you this property rate of return is 5%. So what does it mean? If it is 5%, how much annual return you are getting per year? For these cases, you have to multiple $100,000 to multiple 0.05. We have to convert it to a number, and it means it is $5,000. So it means when your agent told you you are getting 5% rate of return in this $100,000 investment, it means you are getting $5,000 return per year. So what we did here, we gave you two examples. In the first example, you know the annual return and you want to calculate your ROI. So in this case, you have to divide the annual return to invested amount. And in the second example, you have the rate of return and you have the property prices, but you want to know how much annual return you will get. And in this case, we multiple $100,000 to 0.05 and we got our yearly rate of return.